Hello guys, today we are going to do the unboxing of Epson L130 single function inkjet printer, and this is a budget range printer. You can get it in around 7,800 rupees with cashback on Paytm. So we ordered this from Paytm. So cut कर दो पूरा. On Paytm you can get a cashback of around 1,100 rupees, or depends on the product. That's a really good thing. Oh, ठीक है, सुन पा रहा. Hey, cameraman, camera पकड़. बबल रहा. Okay, here we can see the accessories, CDs. This is a power cable, and here we can see our inks. For these are vacuum sealed inks. This is a color printer. This is a cable to connect to your laptop. This is the ink tank here. We will fill our inks. And this don't have a scanner, it's just a normal printer. Okay, that's all for this video. The setup and the things will show you later.